In this video, I will show you how to add apps to desktop on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now there's two ways you can add apps to your desktop on Windows 11. The first way is to actually right click onto a blank space of your desktop, and on this menu that comes up, come and hover over the view option. From here, you're going to see an option to show desktop icons. Give that a click, and that's going to hide or show your desktop icons. Now, another way to add apps to your desktop home screen on Windows 11, what you want to do is come down and click onto the Windows Start icon at the bottom on your taskbar. From here, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto all above your pinned apps. What you can then do is scroll through and choose the app that you want to add to your desktop. For example, let's go ahead and add Discord. So what I'm going to do is simply hold down my left mouse button on Discord and drag and drop this onto my desktop. Just like so, we've created this app shortcut, and this can be repeated to add apps to your desktop on Windows 11. So that's how to add apps to desktop on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.